Hey guys, what's up? We're here at the National Nutrition Garden. I'm an essential oil specialist and we're here to give you your essential oil reviews with Aromapathic Labs. Today we are talking everything Mandarin oil. Did you know that mandarin trees are actually one of the little trees that are used during Chinese New Year? They're put out to help promote feelings of good luck, to promote wealth in the new year, and just to bring prosperity. So that's really cool actually. And mandarin trees are actually native to Southeast Asia and the Philippines. However, they are now grown abundantly in Japan and southern China. Mandarin trees can, like I said, be small or rather large. They grow like dark green, more brittly leaves. And of course, they have the mandarin fruit. The mandarin fruit is an orange. It's small like a golf ball and has like a pebbly skin. Most of us are familiar with them and probably have gotten them at our grocery stores before. Aromapathic Labs sources their mandarins from Italiano in order to make their mandarin oil. They make sure it's cold pressed so no heat is involved. That skin of the mandarin fruit is pressed down, the juices and the oils come out. They are then separated and nothing but 100% potency and pureness of mandarin oil is bottled every single time. Now that extraction method is super important when looking for an essential oil because that's what's going to give you the 100% purity that you're looking for. Some extraction methods like solvent extraction, or if they heat it up too much, the solvent extraction will leave residues behind. If you heat it too much, you're ruining the oil's integrity. So always check to see how your oil is extracted. Mandarin oil, most people don't really know how to use it or what it's really good for because it's not one of the most popular oils out there. So it's really great at decreasing stress, which most of us need, improving deep sleep, again, which most of us need, and just creating good feelings of well-being, again, which most of us need. So I don't know why more people don't use mandarin oil, to be quite frank. Its scent profile is very cool. It's a little sweet. It's of course a bit citrusy, but it has like this tanginess that you don't really get from the other essential oils. Its main active ingredient is limonene, which gives it its mood-enhancing goodness. It makes it that superhero that's going to perk you up and have you feeling super well and super powered in no time. It mixes very well with lavender oil, so when you mix it with lavender oil, you are going to have amazing sleep. Oh my gosh, you're just going to be basking away in lullaby land in no time. So the two mixed together, the lavender oil is going to act as a deep base note. It's a lot more aromatic, it's a lot more herbaceous. That deep note is going to help keep the profile scent a lot more well-rounded, whereas the mandarin is going to be that top note. It's what's going to hit your nose first. It's what's going to help to give you those invigorated feelings, and the nice relaxing vibes are going to come through in that lavender oil deeper down into the scent profile. If you mix it with other citrus oils like grapefruit or lemon, those two are going to also be a top note, so mix them together with mandarin and you're going to have nothing but energizing, good feeling, good vibe, goodness. It's going to be super bright, super citrusy, super summery, and super happy. It's going to help you get rid of your feelings of stress and put you on that beautiful island or wherever your happy is in no time. Lastly, if you mix it with frankincense oil, that's going to bring you to a mental clarity and a zenness that you've never felt before. Frankincense is not as deep as a lavender, so it's not quite that base note. It's more of a middle note. Mandarin oil is going to be the top note in that profile. Of course, again, you're going to smell that first, and then you're going to go into the frankincense freshness. So I hope that you guys enjoyed these essential oil reviews with mandarin oil. Please check out our other ones if you're interested in learning all about essential oils, or click the link below to check out our articles on Nationalnutrition.ca. We hope to catch you guys next time. Bye.